So I got the mower out to fire up, and the reason why I've been behind all day is because I'm working on the house and cleaning up the property some, because some people want to see it right away, because they got a history here from times before and all that, born here, or I don't know, their grandma lived here or some shit. But anyway, I'm fixing to fire up the mower and then drop the blades down. I'm sure they're okay as far as, well, you never know what could happen. But yeah, it's going to get real noisy here, so I have to wear my boots, and I've been like running around in here, and it's a mess. I'm going to clean it up because I've been slacking anyway. Alright. I never noticed this thing before. Whatever. So, yeah. That's what it sounds like. I don't really want to do it too many times because it sounds so crazy. Alright, so let's take a look around under here. Okay, the belt's loose. And it's, I thought I put everything back together right. I had no extra parts. When I put everything back, there was no, extra parts. That's a good thing. I found the one cap for this too. Anyway, so I put it all back, and everything seems tight. But let's take a shift on the pulleys. I don't want to. Should I get up under? This one's loose. This one isn't. And then this one, whoops, this one here isn't either. I don't feel it loose. And the other way is to check the blades, which I'd have to probably pull the deck again. Let's check this one. This one's got some play in it, because I'm supposing you're wanting to know these things to diagnose it for me or whatever. I don't know. This one's got a little play, but this one definitely has play. But this one wasn't the side with the bad blades, so I don't get that, but whatever. And here's what the blade looks like down over here. I mean, the belt is that loose. So yeah, it's crazy. So I'm going to put this video up there real quick, and you let me know what you think. But this thing's a Craftsman 46-inch deck with the cup holders, because he wanted the cup holders, and I don't know why I just didn't get it from a Lowe's down the road. He had it shipped in from a Lowe's in Indiana. It's like, whatever. He said it wasn't the right model. I saw one just like it over there at the Lowe's the other day when I got the blades. See, 46 inch. It's just Teat 225 Craftsman, made with glow ball materials. It's got all the go-go gadgets, I guess, and all that, with only, I guess, 31 hours on it. Maybe that's what that is. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to post this. Thank you for helping